viewers, welcome to Beauty with a Heart. I'm Lily, also known as Lulu. Today I'm going to share with you this look. This is the very easy, simple, subtle smoky eye makeup look for the Valentine's Day. I think this video will be uploaded either by today or tomorrow, which is very nearby Valentine's Day already. So if you still run out of idea what to do, you may just like to use this look as an inspiration. And this look is specially designed for Asian with smaller eyes. Smoky eyes is very sexy and sultry, but it is very tricky for us who have smaller eyes because if you apply dark color all around the eyes, it will make our eyes smaller. So today I'm going to share with you some tricks and tips to make your eyes big while having the sexiness and sultriness. Sultriness, is that such a word? Anyway, yeah, sexiness and sultry look with the smoky eyes. And after the makeup part, I'll be sharing with you a very simple tips to blend out your look instantly. So if you like this look, continue watching, and if you happen to be new and like this video, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much. So let's get started. Firstly, apply this color corrector primer all over the face. The purple in this primer will help to brighten up your skin and makes it more radiant. Apply some to the neck as well for a more complete look. Next, apply this eye primer to enhance the vibrancy of the eyeshadow later. Oops, apply a bit too much. For this eye primer, just apply a bit will do. Next, apply this Flora Flawless Liquid Foundation on the skin. Just use whatever foundation you have. For this foundation, I always like to use the silicone sponge blender to blend first, then followed by the sponge blender. But today I'm going to use the Juno microfiber sponge blender. For foundation that is very fluid, you can always use a silicone sponge blender to blend out first, because even if you use a damp sponge blender, the sponge blender will absorb the foundation very fast. So it becomes a waste. That's why I always like to use the silicone sponge blender to blend out those very fluid texture foundation, then followed by the sponge blender. Or you can use a brush, up to you. Alright, now I'm using the Juno sponge blender to blend. This sponge blender is a little bit different from the normal sponge blender because the material is microfiber, which felt very velvety. And if you notice the way that I'm applying foundation with this Juno sponge blender, I spread and dab, which is unlike the conventional sponge blender. For sponge blender, you just dab across the skin. But for Juno sponge blender, to move the foundation around, actually you need to spread around first. The finish will be very different from the sponge blender. For Juno sponge blender, the results will look more airbrushed. And for this kind of sponge blender, when you blend, it will look more dewy. Next, apply the concealer to the dark circles and my little pimples over here. You can apply concealer to wherever you want to conceal. Next, apply the loose powder over the face. You can apply just the T-zone area if it's oily, or the whole face. Applying powder over liquid foundation helps to set the liquid foundation and make the makeup more long lasting. You can also use the loose powder to set the eyelid if your eyelid is oily. And again, remember to choose very finely milled powder. It will adhere to the skin better and give it to a more natural look. Next, apply bronzer to the perimeters of the face. It's really up to you whether you want to apply bronzer, because I'm not a bronzer person and in real life I don't apply bronzer. It's only in the front of the camera then I will apply bronzer. Applying bronzer helps to warm up the face and gives your face a more 3D look. Okay, next, applying the eyebrow part. So let me tidy up my brown first by brushing it. Let me start off with using this eyebrow pomade from Revolution Beauty. I bought a very wrong color. It's too dark on my eyebrow. So initially when it's very fresh, I will always end up with a very black, thick eyebrow, which look like the 蜡笔小新, which I've shared with you before. So now it has already dried up. It actually gives a more natural look on me, not so strong and dark. Because if the eyebrow is too strong and it's not natural, you'll add like 10 years to the face. See, this is what I meant by more natural. You just give a tint of color. Next, applying the eyebrow gel to fix the brown and makes the brown stay in place for the whole day. Okay, don't worry, this eyebrow gel will turn transparent when it dries up. Now, coming to the eyeshadow part. Let us start off with the crease here. Crease is the soft area around here. You can use your finger and touch and roughly feel where's the soft area. So it's around here. You can use this kind of flat yet fluffy crease brush to blend the crease color first. And because it's flat, it helps to give a more defined look. And apply the eyeshadow to a more defined place. Because for me, I don't have much lid space, so I like to use very defined and small brush to apply eyeshadow. You can use similar color, so let me start off with this. Next, applying the crease transitional color. Because later on, I will add black to the eyelid. The difference in the two colors over here will be a lot. And it's not natural. And I like to use this kind of very thin crease brush to blend. Apply the color nearby your double eyelid area, which is here. And if you have single eyelid, you just apply slightly around 1 to 2 cm above your lash line, depending on your eye shape. Next, apply this black color to the eyelid with this flat shader brush. You can use a pure matte black eyeshadow, or you can use the glittery black eyeshadow like this on the eyelid. Gently pat the eyeshadow first onto the lid to reduce fallout. You can apply this black within your double eyelid area, or fill up 1 to 2 cm area above your lash line. And slowly blend. You can always touch up your crease transitional color to blend in the black. Yes, if you have some stain over here, over at the lower lid, you can always use a concealer to clean it up. Or what you can do is, you can always do your eye makeup first before you apply the face makeup. But for me, I always apply my face makeup first. It's more natural to me. Otherwise, if I apply this first, I will tend to forget to apply a lot of things. So you can always conceal to hide the stain, if there is. Next, apply eyeliner. I will apply it off screen. Alright, done with the eyeliner. So waiting for it to dry now. So next step is to proceed on with the lower lash lines. And for those with smaller eyes, it's always good to apply light color over here, because if you apply dark color all around the eyes, it actually closes up your eyes and makes your eye look smaller. Dark colors is always used to conceal and hide, and light and reflective color is always to show up the best of. It's just like wearing black clothes to create the illusion that we are actually very slim, and white clothes can sometimes make us look bigger. So it's the same color theory on the face. So right now I'm going to apply this silver eyeliner on the waterline. Next, applying this black at the lower lash line here with this very short, dense, flat brush, and then smudge it out with another clean brush. So just apply at a small area. Smudge it out. Alright, next apply this glittery supernova eyeshadow to complete the lower lash line. Use another brush to apply. The liquid eyeshadow is drying out so fast. I just bought it for a few months. Applying glittery eyeshadow over here helps to capture the light and makes your eyes look bigger. Okay, applying this highlighter to the inner corner and also at the eyebrow bone to brighten up this look. For me, this highlighter is very natural, it's not so obvious, so I find that this is appropriate to this look. Alright, next I will go off screen to apply the fake lashes, so see you in a while. Hello dears, I'm back! So now proceeding on to the face makeup, and I'm going to contour the face right now to make it more slim, because recently I've been eating a lot, so yeah, time to slim down. So apply the contour under the cheek here. Sorry dears, the camera battery died just now. So let me continue contouring. So I'm going to contour over here, the jawline here, and under this jawline. And again, I'm not going to contour my forehead because my forehead is already small. And contouring the nose starting from the mid of the eyebrow here to the nose, the whole nose. Next, applying blusher. And switch to the clean side of the brush to blend, so that you can blend better. To match this look, I'm choosing a very natural colored blusher, so as not to overwhelm the whole face. Next, applying highlighter to the high points of the face. Almost done. So now continuing with the lip part. Outline the lips first. Today I'm going to apply lip gloss with lipsticks. So this lip liner will help to prevent the lip gloss from feathering. Since the eye makeup is very strong today, I'm going to balance out the look with a very nude lip. Spray spray! Hope you dears like this makeup look. And yes, just now during the intro part, I was mentioning to share with you dears how to glam up your look instantly if you still do not have any idea what to wear on the Valentine's Day. We can always wear our little black dress, and especially for us Chinese, this is still our Chinese New Year. Haven't ended yet. And we have had a lot of goodies, a lot of good food. And like myself, my face become rounder, my tummy become bigger, I've gained a lot of weight. So I'm going to wear a simple little black dress. Black is the best to hide the fats. But you can't just wear black, otherwise it will be very dull. So what you can do to glam up instantly is, like right now, I'm wearing some blings. The bling accessories need not be diamond. If it's diamond, that's the best. If not, you can get a few dollar blings or crystals or cubic zirconia. So you can wear a very simple set or a more elaborate set to glam up your look, and it will make you look like a very rich lady instantly also. And also, if you can wear high heels, yeah, please wear to match up the look. And the little black dress. Little black dress is very versatile, so you can match with any accessories, any color. You can also tie a very simple bun or a very low simple ponytail. So up to you dears, you can let down your hair, you can maybe probably curl it with the color. Alright, that's all for the sharing today. And last but not least, here's an inner beauty tip for us to be more beautiful and more wise. One is loved because one is loved. No reason is needed for loving. Thank you so much for watching dears. And if you happen to like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. May you dears have a peaceful, blissful, and joyful week ahead. See you next time. Bye!